A woman will miss you badly after this. There comes a moment in every connection, a turning point where the silence becomes louder than the words ever spoken, where presence becomes more powerful than proximity, and where your absence starts speaking a language she never expected to understand. Tonight, we dive into something powerful, something every man should learn, something every woman eventually feels. The moment she realizes she misses you almost painfully, not because you begged, not because you chased, but because your growth, your silence, your detachment, and your self-respect whispered the truth she never listened to before. Sit back, let your heart breathe. This is the story of what truly makes a woman miss you, deeply, unexpectedly, and uncontrollably. Subscribe now to Psych Secrets and be part of a journey where every video inspires you to see life with a new perspective. Part 1. When she thinks you'll always be there. In the beginning, she doesn't notice. She assumes you're available, you're waiting, you'll reply instantly, you'll rearrange your world just to hear her voice. You become predictable, and people don't value what they assume they will never lose. She treats your attention like oxygen, invisible, but always expected to be there, until one day, you stop chasing, stop asking, stop checking, stop offering. That is the day her heartbeat changes, because a woman doesn't miss you when you give her everything. She misses you when your presence stops being a guarantee and becomes a memory. Part 2. The power of silent withdrawal. One day, you text less. You stop over-explaining yourself. You stop trying to fix everything. You start living. And here is the psychology. Women notice absence more than presence. Your silence makes her replay conversations. Your distance makes her compare your energy to every other man around. Your peace makes her wonder what storm she caused. That is when missing begins. Not because you punished her, but because you chose yourself. Part 3. The moment she feels your value. A woman truly begins missing you when she sees another man trying to replace your position, but failing. She realizes no one listens like you. No one understands her contradictions like you. No one looks at her like she mattered. No one matches your patience. That is when regret is born. Not because she didn't know your value, but because she thought you'd wait forever. Part 4. The shift in your energy. She misses you when she notices the transformation. You become unavailable, focused, less reactive, more selective. You stop being emotionally accessible. You stop explaining your worth. You stop performing for her attention. Suddenly, your peace is louder than your pursuit, and she begins to wonder, who is he becoming without me? Why isn't he trying anymore? Does he even care? The truth? Yes, you cared, but caring for yourself became more important. Part 5. When your mystery returns. In the beginning of a relationship, all men are mysterious. Later, they become predictable. But once you detach, you become a mystery again. Your silence is mysterious. Your growth is mysterious. Your confidence is mysterious. And women chase mystery more than availability. That is when she starts missing you deeply. Part 6. The unsettled feeling. There is a moment she will experience alone. Maybe at midnight, maybe while scrolling through old chats, maybe when she sees your name somewhere. Her eyes soften, her breathing slows, and her thoughts betray her pride. She starts missing your voice, your questions, your annoyance, your arguments, your patience. Even the things she once complained about become treasures in hindsight. Part 7. The regret. A time comes when she whispers to herself, I shouldn't have taken him for granted. She replays the way you used to care. She remembers how you always showed up. She remembers how she ignored your efforts. This is the phase where the missing becomes emotional pain, because now it's too late. Part 8. Your rising value. A woman misses you badly when she sees you evolving without her. Better skin, better finances, better focus, better boundaries, better silence. That glow she once dimmed now shines without seeking her approval. That is when she misses you, not because she lost you, but because she lost access to the man you became. Part 9. When she hears your name, there comes a day someone mentions you casually. Hey, I saw him today. He looks different. He seems happy. Her stomach tightens because she wanted you broken without her. Instead, she finds you rising, and that discovery hurts. Part 10. The realization. A woman misses you not when she sees you move on, but when she realizes you aren't stuck on her anymore. She feels it energetically. Your messages stopped. Your presence stopped. Your warmth stopped. Your seeking stopped. You became someone she cannot summon anymore. And that is when missing turns into longing. Part 11. The unanswered questions. What if he meets someone better? What if he forgets me completely? What if I was the problem? Her inner dialogue becomes restless. She checks old photos, types messages she never sends, reads old conversations to feel close again. She stalks, but never admits it. That's how missing works. Quietly, painfully, privately. Part 12. The return attempt. Eventually, she sends something subtle. Hi, how have you been? Saw something that reminded me of you. Not because she wants closure, but because she wants access. She isn't missing the old you. She's missing the piece she destroyed. Part 13. What truly makes her miss you? Here is the truth. A woman misses you badly after you stop giving her what she never appreciated, after you stop explaining yourself, after you stop being predictable, after you stop being her emotional crutch, after you replace chasing her with chasing your goals. When you heal, she hurts. Part 14. The lesson. This story has a deep message. If you want to be missed, stop trying to be needed. Be valuable. Be rare. Be distant when necessary. Be silent when provoked. Be focused on your growth. A woman doesn't miss the man she controls. She misses the man she cannot replace. Ending. Your rise is what makes her miss you. One day she might come back, but by then, you may be someone who no longer needs what once broke you. Let her miss you, because the moment you start valuing your time, your worth, your emotional boundaries, that is the moment she realizes. You were never ordinary. You were the blessing she treated casually. And nothing haunts a woman more than the man who learned to walk away without bitterness and glow without her presence. Subscribe now to Psych Secrets and be part of a journey where every video inspires you to see life with a new perspective.